Hey everyone, once again it's Brennan the Pillow Dude here with another Jurassic World toy review. Today we'll be looking at another set of Snap Squad figures from Jurassic World's toy line. So these ones are a little bit more interesting, I find, as they show more obscure species and variations from the franchise. So Carnotaurus, it's got a very cartoony looking head, but it really emphasizes that short, bulldog-like appearance, and gotta love what they did with the horns. It has orangey reddy eyes, small pupil, and it's not too bad on your finger when you clamp it down. It kind of cups it. This figure also has really tiny arms, which show the prominent feature on the actual dinosaur, and its body resembles that of one used for the Indoraptor in Indominus, so it has two little lines of little dots or scales running down the back. And same with the tail. I think the tail's the same as these two figures as well. Yeah, same texture and everything. And the paint job looks to be that of the Mattel's toy from the first lineup. So yeah, this is a very nice figure. I was glad to see it make it up in the lineup. And now for the Indoraptor. It's got very long arms, which actually touch the ground when it is sitting. So that's a nice feature, I really enjoyed that. Really spiced it up, seeing as most of the figure's arms aren't that long, or don't need to be that long. Now this guy's got red eyes, and its teeth are very wacky. They spread out similar to the Indominus Rex's teeth. So they point outwards, and it's actually got very few teeth on the bottom jaw. So 3 on each side, and you can have it grab your finger like that. And it's not too bad on your finger. It's got a golden shiny stripe down its side, which is a very nice detail, as the Indoraptor toy has that. And this one's pretty interesting. So this is the invisible Indominus Rex. It's got an opaque white paint job with a little bit of pink in the head because the mouth is pink, so you see it from the outside. And it's got a very shiny spray to it. So it's got this shiny, kind of browny, diluted white paint job on the back, and the rest of the figure is just that opaque see-through like white film. So this is a very neat figure. I love that they took the time to make a figure like this, and who knows, this might lead to future color changing or see-through dinosaur figures, or opaque like that, like in the Carnotaurus from the Lost World novel. So now the Dilophosaurus. It kind of looked like a little gremlin when I first saw it. Its teeth stick out and then they point into a narrow head in the tip. And the color of the frill and the color of the crests I wasn't too impressed with. They could have been a little bit more red or had more pattern to them, like a black kind of color, but overall, the figure is pretty nice. The head's big, the frill ties in well with the jaw movement as it's cut, but again, I would have loved to see more detail done with the frill and the crests. As you can see, some of these figures' color patterns have a lot more detail and attention to like the smaller bits and parts. But yeah, this is definitely one of my more favorite. Its leg actually sticks out a little bit more than this one, so it actually keeps balance with its large head. Like that. And it's got a really small tail in comparison to the other figures. And for bite pressure, I think this one hurts a little bit because it's got a more pointed head. No. It's actually pretty fine, because it's got that like ridge on the inside that pushes up past the teeth, so it doesn't bite on your skin too much, like the raptors do. So yeah, all these figures You can put them on your fingers, you can put them on your clothing. They've got a really nice gimmick. All their limbs are wiggly so you can shake them about. And they've all got pretty nice details, except for maybe the Dilophosaurus, but that's okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.